What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ZndBorn, Berkeley graduated, sound gym validated. I had to just grab my camera, and we're doing this guerrilla style because I'm so excited. The mailman rung the doorbell. It's a special delivery, and we're just gonna jump right into it. Oh yeah, baby. If you smell, it's about to go down. Let's take a look. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Now, I've always wanted a Moog synthesizer. I know there's an entire ecosystem, a world and community of people who are into synthesizers. I want in. I saved up all my pennies and I pulled the trigger on the Moog Subsequent 37. Here it is. So this is just a first look for me, so I'll leave the technical stuff to the technical guys for YouTube. And if you guys want to see the technical aspects of it in a video from me, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll work on some videos, and we'll break this thing all the way down if you guys want me to. So this is my first look at it, maybe your first look. So let's jump in together and see what this thing's all about. Don't forget to click like and subscribe on this video. Your support really helps me grow this channel, and I'm truly and always grateful for you guys. I love the community that we're building, so I want to keep doing this for as long as I can so we can keep rocking with it. So thank you again. So this is what I can wrap my head around so far. The Subsequent 37 is a 2-note paraphonic analog synthesizer, improving on its renowned predecessor, the Sub 37. 40 knobs, 74 switches. It's a fiddler's paradise. The moment you look at this thing, you're pressing the button, you're turning something. The keys, baby, the keys. Smooth, silky. It's very, very playable. The action on the keys. Action on the keys is too good. It's perfect. It's perfect. 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 No, the action is perfect. Perfect. My mind is blown with how the keys feel. A really nice touch here is that there's a mono and duo mode that allows you to tweak and play a second oscillator to give you more range and more options in your melodic content. You can conjure up some really interesting sounds using the duo mode. The legendary Moog drive, the distortion, the heat, the character, the attitude, it all lives in this multi-drive knob. It's a very magical knob, that's what she said. Moving on. You also have a couple of input options for your pitch CV, your volume CV, your filter, and your KB gate. You're also set up with 2 assignable and very powerful mod buses. An arpeggiator with a 64-note sequencer section, little mini LCD screen, pitch bend mod wheel. You have 2 variable oscillators. Lots of great options for your waves. 1 sub oscillator, 1 noise generator. There's a mixer section, good for gain staging. There's an external input for additional sounds. And oh my gosh, the glide module. Everything on this synth is so smooth. There's also the filter section with the cutoff knob. So those are two of my favorite knobs on this synth so far. You could transpose 2 octaves up and down. There's a headphone out with a 1/4 connection. Dial it to 10 and rip the knob off. It is a filthy sounding synth. And there's also a lot of clean sound, so you can actually bump up that octave and play it as a lead. There's a software and preset editor. The hardware can hold 256 presets. That's 16 banks, 16 presets on the hardware. But on the software, it's virtually infinite. They also set you up with a MIDI in and out. You can also MIDI over USB, which is a great option because if I ever needed to expand outside of the 37 keys, I just run it over to my Complete 88. And here are the dimensions for the units, so you kind of get a sense of it whether or not it fit on your desk. I'm enormously inspired to create on this thing. I even sat my daughter down in front of this thing, and the first thing she's doing is turning knobs and creating sounds. She's discovering features about it that I didn't even know existed. So in the coming days, I'd like to take a closer look and show you guys what kind of sounds you can pull from this amazing synth. This is the first synth that I've owned. I've borrowed synths, I've played synths, but this is the first synth that I own. So I'm excited for that. So let me know in the comments if you like this video. If you guys want me to take a deeper dive into the Subsequent 37, we can play with some sounds, make some really cool creative things. Let me know what you want to see next about the Subsequent 37. If I don't hear from you guys, I'm gonna move on to the next thing while I use this in the background. So let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Keep creating, keep sharing your gift. Peace.